Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Good Wednesday evening to you, Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. Right now, looking pretty good. Had a couple of showers, a few storms rolled through here earlier. Those have since moved on out of here, but we are watching some very strong weather that is impacting right now parts of Indiana on into northwestern Ohio. Now, I will say one thing I am noticing on this. Notice how we have a lot of lightning strikes just a couple hours ago, and they are starting to come down a little bit. That shows that this line is losing some intensity. Still have very, very cold cloud tops. That's the darker these reds, the colder it is, so they have basically still some good convection out that way. But again, these lightning strikes are coming down a little bit. That shows a little weakening trend. So that's good news for us. Also, the timing of this looks like it's going to be the middle of the night. As a result, we're going to see this action weaken somewhat. You can see this line kind of breaking apart as well. That's another piece of good news. Not quite as organized as it's moving into Ohio, starting to get away from some of that peak instability. Still going to have to watch it. Still could get woken up overnight with some thunder, and we still could see a few areas with some storms. But throughout the day today, best chance for the strongest storms out southwest of us, and then west of us looks like they'll be strong to severe. But then overnight, this then shifts as this front moves in to some lingering storms, and some of those could be strong to severe overnight, with winds being the main threat. Again, I do think this is moving into a more stable environment. That does bode well for us here, but again, still could see some of that. And there's actually the threat for some flash flooding where we've got some of the worst weather as well. Very heavy rain out to the west and southwest of us. Here in our area, could see some flooding, but it looks like it will not be a flash flood. That does not look like that'll be the threat. The rain we're getting over the next couple of days is going to be a couple inches, probably 3, maybe 4 inches possible, and it's going to fall over 5 days though. So that's one thing that's a piece of good news, because again, we're not getting it all at once. Still though, could see some of those creeks, those streams that have problems holding a lot of water. Those could come up a little bit, and some of those more flood prone areas could see some high water there, but generally looking like it won't be as bad as it could be. So that's good news. And then severe weather outlook, this is for the overnight hours. Just a slight chance for a few stronger storms. Again, winds being the main threat. Basically, we got about a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5 for our threats. And then we do have that flood watch in effect till 8 a.m. on Sunday morning, with tornado watches out in parts of Ohio. But again, that line is weakening. Would not be surprised if those get to start getting pared back. But here's what we're looking at though. Mid to upper 60s to right around 70. It's 67 in Wheeling, 68 in Steubenville. And then we have off and on storms. A few could be strong early tomorrow. Friday, off and on rain again. It continues. Highs are a little bit cooler. By Saturday, again, another round of showers and storms. It's not raining straight through this whole time, but we're in and out of the rain over the next couple of days. So overnight, you can see here's 2 a.m. We got some rain. By 4, it's starting to push in. Really starts to roll in as we head past 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Going to slow you down driving into work. A little bit of rain through the morning, a little break by lunchtime before another round of showers and a few storms develop into the afternoon tomorrow. Again, those have the potential, maybe a few isolated damaging wind gusts, but generally looking like the really worst of the weather going to be coming through overnight. But again, I think that's weakening. But breezy tomorrow, 73, 62 on Friday, 75 on Saturday, 60 on Sunday. We've got a front that's going to be draped across us, kind of moving up and down, oscillating as it moves down. Temperatures are cooler as it goes north. Temperatures a little warmer. We're in and out of the rain over the next couple of days. Looks like we get the final push Saturday night on into Sunday morning. It's going to be a little cooler after that. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and low to mid 50s by Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, with a few lingering showers at times early next week, but not as wet as it will be the next couple of days.